Hi guys, today we will discuss Bitcoin US dollar on the monthly chart. Now, if you look at the course, I'm basically discussing weekly charts, daily charts, and intraday charts. But for Bitcoin, I'm choosing the monthly chart as well. And there is a reason for it. If you look at the monthly chart, either it's like Forex or stocks or penny stocks or ETF or anything else, you'll find that monthly charts are the most easiest way to trade. And that's the reason I've picked Bitcoin on the monthly chart, so that I can show you that one of the most volatile financial instrument, the most volatile on the monthly chart, won't look to you volatile. It will look to you as easy as possible, even though everyone else you'll meet will tell you that Bitcoin is like gambling. But on Candlestick, on monthly chart, you won't find even a small chance of a gambling. Let me show you. Here, Bitcoin had 3 green candles eating the first red candle. Once it crossed right here at 6.7 in 2012 June, the next 3 months was the best for you. It rose up and it reached 12.6 on the closing basis. That's double. And on the high level, it's even further, 13.5. Huge. But let's look at it further. It again rose. Just look at it. I told you to buy right here somewhere. 6.7. And here it's $93. And is it telling you to sell anywhere? Is it telling it's volatile anywhere? No. The only thing of concern is right here. This has risen from 35 to 93. That's approximately 3 times. And then it rises further to $220. Huge. But they're all green candles. None of them is black or red. And right here, it formed a doji or a morning star. But then it made what I call the bearish engulfing candle. And that's your mark to get out. Boom. How? Because it's open. This green candle's open is 104 and this close is 97.50. That was your out movement. It then again rose back up. This open is 129.30. This is 129.50. And this is 128.30. So although it closed higher, but the next day it opened lower by $1, so that this open is honored and should not be crossed. And eventually you will look at it that it rises back up. Now the concept is, let me show you. The concept is this green candle ate this one and it rose back up $1,000. And then boom, it's going down. Again, it's a sell signal. Goes down, up. This is a buy signal. Let me put a buy signal. This green candle. So you would have bought it at 640 again. And it goes down and it's a sell. 387. Gone down. And just look at it. This is the bullish 3 method formation. These 5 candles. And the best part, this one green candle, all those red candles are within it. In the next chapters, you will learn Forex trading. And in that, I have explained completely how, if you will see this kind of a thing that is happening right now, that's so much bullish. And 262 if you would have bought it. Although initially it would have told you to sell right here. But then again it's a buy, 316. Then again it was sell, then again it was buy. Because this is engulfing bearish candle and this is engulfing bullish candle. So yes, it has given us many times the exceptional things. It has told us to sell, it has told us to buy and all that stuff. But my point is It's not about like how it does it. It's about how you trade it. Because the basic, my presumption is just look at them. Now, if you remember, I always tell you whenever you buy, you place a stop loss order on the low of this candle. Once it crossed right here, you were out, right? And then it fell off. So if you would have sold it, let's say at 419, then you would have bought it at 262. So that's what? A 50% reduction in opening price or in like buying price. Awesome. No problems at all. Now, once again, if you look at it, this was a sell signal, right? But then, again, you were buying it right here. So it's again a buy. 316. It rose up, told you to sell at 365, and then again told you to buy at 439. So you're again buying. No problems at all. And the price is rising for you. Is it short sell? Now let me show you one more thing. Wait a minute. Let us place all the buy sell signals so that in the end I can prove you how successful Bitcoin trading was on the monthly level. And even all tradings, example Forex, stocks, everything, they are so much successful on the monthly level because the longer the level, the easier the money. Just look at it. You're buying here, it's rising. And the last buy was right here, 439. And what is this? 10 times return within what? February 2016. This is August 2017. Approximately 1.5 years. So basically, it helps you to trade. It showed you that you would have bought it at this moment and it would have like crossed higher, and even further higher. And now, what are you seeing? On the monthly level, still it is a buy signal. Still. But it's 26 January and the last 4 days are important. If it closes like an engulfing bearish candle, then Bitcoin will be in trouble. But as I always tell you, wait a minute. Yeah, as I always tell you, it does make a second this kind of a high. And if it Bitcoin does that it can make a smaller like this black candle, a dark cloud cover candle, and this is not a dark cloud cover candle, but it currently it can make that, and then a small green candle, and then this kind of a candle. But right here, this was an engulfing bullish candle, and then it was like all candles were within this candle. But on Bitcoin right now, it's not that kind. So be vigilant. But the point is, you can see it works from each and every end. On like Bitcoin, what we have traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 6 trades within the last 5 years. Isn't that awesome? And the best part is you're making money, easy money. And on the fall, it's telling you to get out and you're saving money on the fall as well. Let me show you how. Right here, I told you to buy, but then it came down and you would have squared it off on the low of this green candle. Let's presume you squared it off at 419. And right here you would have bought it at 262. That's a huge savings because you're not losing money. And you can again buy it at the extreme low and earn your way up. So much easy. No other trading software or trading analysis thing offers this. No one. No one even tell you that it's going to fall. But Candlestick does. And it's so much old, 300-400 years old, and still it works. Still it works. See it for yourself. Now, I will discuss the weekly chart and show you how strong candlestick charts are on the weekly charts as well. Because all this monthly thing will be like evident on the weekly level as well. But rather than waiting for 419, your stop losses will be moving up. How? I will just show you. Thank you.